teacher Simone from Junior Colleges. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make an Easter egg basket. Okay, first things first. We've made templates so that it's easier for the kids. Can you please cut out on the dotted lines? Only on the dotted lines.
These ones?
Yes. Okay, then you're going to fold it on the black line.
Okay. Then I've got it.
You've done it perfectly, my boy. Okay. Then you're going to take out the sides.
Sides?
Yes. This side. You're going to put it like that.
Like
The box
this?
together. And I'm going to come and we're going to staple it.
They're done. That's not a hole.
Then you're going to decorate your basket with our pretty cutouts, flowers, Easter eggs, stems and grass. So first take a grass.
I'm digging.
First take grass
I think I take one.
and a paintbrush. Okay. Put glue onto it. Just cut that little bit of extra grass. Wow, guys, that looks great.
You can decorate your baskets with your own handmade cutouts, glitter, or even stickers, or anything else that you'd like to use.
Pressing. Right here. Okay, on the grass. Now let's put all of the glue.
Can you choose 4 pipe cleaners that you'd like for the handle for your Easter egg basket?
Orange, black, but I don't know. I don't have.
Done it. Choose your colors. If you don't have pipe cleaners, you can use a strip of cardboard.
That will make a great handle as well.
Okay. Look. You're going to hold it and you're going to twist the top. And you just keep twisting all the way.
Just one last step. We are going to staple the handles onto the baskets, then they'll be ready for the Easter egg hunt.
I'm going to try and find the Easter bunny. Also me. Did you find the Easter bunny? I didn't look yet. Easter bunny, come on, wherever you are in those bushes there.
Look how colorful these baskets look. They look just like Easter eggs hiding in the garden.
When are we going to get to put the Easter eggs?
Shall we go find Easter eggs in the garden?
Yay!